All right, family, today is the day Black Illuminati exposing the gatekeepers, exposing the oath takers in the black community. This is going to be one of the highlights of the year. You got to come in strong because one of your favorite entertainers, one of your favorite musicians, one of your favorite politicians, even one of your favorite cultural leaders might end up on the hit list. So we want you in the house. Click the link, generalseti.ticketleap.com, and be front row and center for one of the most profound presentations, live stream lectures of the year. General Seti, Black Illuminati, exposing the gatekeepers and the oath takers in the black community. Black power.